Hey, if you want to pair your JBL Tune 450, 460 with your two devices at the same time, so we can do this. And first, you just have to be connected with the first device, like in my case, I'm using the Android phone. And then when you are connected and when your headphones are turned on, you will have to locate the two buttons, the volume down button and the play button. We have to click and hold these two buttons together and wait until this indicator starts blinking white. There we go, now it is blinking, so we have to release. And then on the second device, we have to open the Bluetooth settings. So go to the settings, open the Bluetooth, then turn it on by tapping on this switcher. And now you have to take a look for the other devices list. But as you can see, in my case, it actually doesn't work, because this pairing mode just turns off. So I can recommend you to use the button combination, the volume down and the power button. So click and hold them together. If it doesn't work for some reason, just simply release and click these two buttons, play button and the power button. Sometimes